Why the neutral gear is typically located between first and second gear on a motorbike. The neutral gear is typically located between first and second gear on a motorcycle's gearbox, because it allows for easier shifting into either gear. When the motorcycle is in neutral, the gearbox is disengaged from the engine, which means the engine is not providing power to the wheels. This allows the rider to start the engine without the bike moving forward, and also provides a resting position for the transmission to disengage when the rider is not shifting gears. If the neutral gear was the first gear, it could be more difficult for the rider to shift into first gear from a standstill, as they would need to shift down from neutral and then release the clutch in a precise manner to avoid stalling the engine or jerking the bike forward. By placing neutral between first and second gear, the rider can easily shift up or down from neutral, without the risk of accidentally engaging the transmission and causing the bike to move forward. In addition, having neutral between first and second gear can also prevent the rider from accidentally shifting into neutral while the motorcycle is in motion. If the neutral gear were the first gear, it would be easier to accidentally shift into neutral while attempting to shift into second gear, which could be dangerous while riding. Overall, the placement of the neutral gear between first and second gear is a design choice that provides a more user-friendly experience for the rider and helps to prevent accidents.